This year, we're taking another meaningful step towards the ultimate dimensional inspection lab, a lab with no barriers to the devices you can use. Let's take a look at the major enhancements that are helping to bring this vision to life. PolyWorks Inspector 2026 introduces a new add-on module for CT scanning. This means you can now import voxel data from any industrial CT scanner and convert it directly into a mesh inside PolyWorks Inspector. The voxel-to-mesh engine is GPU accelerated, making conversion extremely fast. Because the output is a mesh rather than a CT volume, storage requirements are reduced and downstream inspection becomes simpler. The engine is built for scale with virtually no volume size limitations. Large datasets can be processed in a single pass without splitting jobs. When datasets contain multiple parts, PolyWorks extracts each piece for individual inspection. Combined with multi-piece measurement technology, this becomes especially valuable in production environments. CT users also now benefit from fast alignments, CAD comparison, GD&T, color mapping, SPC, and reporting, all within PolyWorks Inspector. With one-pass meshing, automatic multi-piece extraction, and full access to the PolyWorks Inspector toolbox, CT scanning becomes a fast, scalable, and production-ready workflow. Next, let's look at manual measurement collection. PolyWorks 2026 is introducing web-based inspection forms that allow you to record measurements from handheld gauges or visual checks on any device, including phones, tablets, or PCs. No software installation is required. Users can access the form through a browser, and data is uploaded instantly into PolyWorks DataLoop. This makes it easy for anyone to enter dimensional results through a secure, traceable portal. Measurements can be reviewed, corrected if needed, and resubmitted within seconds. Once uploaded, results, relevant SPC charts, and trend analysis are immediately available in DataLoop. This streamlines manual data collection and brings more shop floor measurements into the same digital thread. PolyWorks 2026 also now provides real-time visualization for handheld multi-line scanners directly inside Inspector. Scanning data appears live as you scan without switching applications or exporting files. This integration allows you to use Inspector tools during scanning, including automated pre-alignment and feature scanning guidance. When scanning multiple parts, multi-piece measurement technology helps reduce overall cycle time, creating a smoother and more unified workflow. And that's not all. PolyWorks Inspector now supports native 5-axis go-to movements and head-touch measurements for PH20 and Revo with collision analysis. Go-to movements leverage probe head flexibility to reposition more efficiently, which reduces cycle time. Collision analysis covers full 5-axis motion, allowing you to preview paths and identify potential interferences before CMM program execution. Head-touch measurements, which are integrated natively, enable faster and more repeatable inspection of circular features, planes, and comparison points. These enhancements allow you to confidently harness the full potential of PH20 and Revo measurement sequences with safer motion, shorter cycles, and consistent results. Together, these enhancements expand the reach of PolyWorks Inspector Universal Platform. CT scanning becomes automated and production-ready, manual measurement collection becomes simple and connected, handheld scanning becomes real-time and unified, and 5-axis CMM probing becomes faster, safer, and more repeatable. All of these improvements support one goal: giving metrology teams a single, powerful platform that brings all measurement technologies together for greater speed, clarity, and confidence.